Hello everyone, and welcome to MadeEasy. My name is Jane. In this video, we are going to look at how to build and fully customize a clustered column chart in Power BI using our sample Superstore dataset. Unlike a stacked column chart, which piles your metrics vertically into a single column, a clustered column chart places its bars side by side. This makes it incredibly simple for your audience to compare values across different groups at a single glance. To get started, let's navigate over to the Visualizations pane, located on the right-hand side of your report interface. Look closely at the very first row of visual chart icons. The fourth icon from the left is the clustered column chart. Remember, because the title says column, our bars will run vertically from the bottom up, which works wonderfully for reading data trends. Go ahead and click that icon. A blank gray visual framework placeholder will immediately drop directly onto your report canvas. Now, let's bring this blank chart to life by filling out our structural data buckets: the x-axis, the y-axis, and the legend. First, let's establish our bottom groupings. Go to your orders table data, click and drag the category column, and drop it directly into the x-axis bucket. Second, let's pull in our core numerical data. Grab the sales column and slide it straight into the y-axis bucket. Looking back at the canvas, Power BI automatically creates three tall, solid vertical columns, representing total sales for technology, furniture, and office supplies. Third, let's create our clusters. To break these sales figures down further, grab your region column and drag it down into the legend bucket. Look at your canvas now. Instead of just 3 solo columns, those categories have split into clusters of 4 distinct, colorful vertical bars standing side by side, instantly comparing central, east, south, and west regional performance. Our chart looks great, but let's apply some professional formatting to make it presentation ready for your manager or client. With your chart selected on the canvas, click the Format Visual paintbrush icon right here in the pane. To ensure your viewers don't have to look back and forth at the vertical axis to guess the numbers, find the Data Labels option and toggle it to On. Power BI instantly prints the exact sales amounts right on top of every single vertical column. Keep in mind that because clustered charts show separate columns side by side rather than combined stacks, you won't see a Total Labels option here. Your data labels already provide the exact breakdown cleanly. If you ever need to match a corporate brand color palette, you can easily open the Columns dropdown right beneath this menu to swap out individual colors. And that's it! That is everything you need to know to create a clean, professional, clustered column chart in Power BI. If this clear, step-by-step tutorial helped you master this chart type today, please give this video a thumbs up, drop a comment down below with any questions, and subscribe to the channel for more quick, bite-sized software lessons. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.